What's up, crafters? Welcome back to the channel. If you often use your Cricut Joy for your DIY projects, you might run into a few hiccups every now and then. But don't worry, you're definitely not alone. Most of the time, it's an easy fix, and a quick reset usually does the trick. Just like restarting your phone when it starts acting up. Your Cricut Joy sometimes need a little reset too. In this guide, I'll show you simple and safe way to reset it in just a few quick steps. So let's get your Cricut Joy working again. Unplug the power cord from the wall socket to turn off your Cricut Joy. Hold the cartridge gently and move it back and forth about 6 times. Wait for a few moments to let the machine reset itself. Plug the power cord back in and your machine is now reset. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit mannymaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.